Hi guys, welcome back CodeNest. This is the second video of section 1 in our HTML course. Today we are going to learn the basic structure of an HTML document. That means we will cover doctype HTML, head, body. Let's go to our code editor and start write some code so you can understand better. Doctype declaration. When we write HTML, we always begin with doctype HTML. This tells browser that our file is an HTML document. You can write it in uppercase, lowercase, or fixed case. Doctype HTML and DOCTYPE doctype HTML. All of them will work, but by convention most developers use uppercase for doctype and lowercase for HTML. The HTML tag. After the doctype, we start with the HTML tag. This is the root element of our page. All the other code will stay inside this HTML tag. The head tag. Inside the HTML tag, the first part is the head. The head contains information about the page, like the title, metadata, and links to a style sheet. This information is not shown directly on the web page, but it is very important. We will learn more about it later. The body tag. After the head, we write the body tag. The body is where all our visible content goes. For example, text, image, video, everything we want to display on the web page. Let's write a simple example. Title. We can also add comments in our code like this. This is a comment. The browser ignores comments. They are only for developers to explain the code. Now let's run this code. You can see that the output only shows hello world. Even though we wrote several lines of code, the browser only displays the text inside the body tag. That's it for today's lessons. In the next video, we will learn about the header, nav section and footer tags. Don't forget to practice this code at last once. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to CodeNest for more. See you in the next video.